Here is your quick Rivian tutorial on how to use the Rivian R2 from front to back, outside to in. And I'll give you a quick little overview of the features. So starting from the front, we have our front trunk. To open up that, you just push this little button once there, and then you will see it open. You can see a nice front trunk space here. There is your emergency exit button in case you get trapped in here. Here is your windshield wiper fluid port. And there is a frog skunk icon here to annotate your frunk. And that's pretty easy. To close the front trunk hood, you just push down and this will electronically latch down. You have your tow hooks in the front. Along the side here, on the driver's side, you have your charging port door for the NACS charge port. A little light here. This is not a button, it's just a little glow light. And then a maze to solve while you're charging, if you so wish. To close it, you just simply push and close. Okay, and then on the back here, you have a rear roll-down window. So to open that, you just hold down with this button. Plenty of space back here for storage. You can reach in and grab whatever you need. There are some outlets on the side for power. And then to close, you simply push and hold, and that will close. There's a windshield wiper down here. And then to open the front or the rear trunk hood, just get some of that off. You push the button that's hidden above the V, and that will open up your rear trunk door there. So back here you do have the capability to fold this middle seat down if you so wish, just in case you need to store anything really long in there, long and skinny. Again, cubbies on the side, and then under here there's extra storage for all of the emergency things. So there's a first aid kit, portable charger, and an off-roading recovery kit, a little trash bin there. So nice extra storage space. And an emergency flat tire repair kit there. And then to close it, you just simply unfold that. To close the rear trunk door, you push this button and it'll come all the way down automatically. There's a toe on the back. For the rear seat, you do have heated seats here. Simple to use. And then you do have some basic vents. The driver or the front passenger has to control the air conditioning and or the heater for the rear passengers for now. And then these doors have push buttons to open and close. You do have some storage space down there. There's a little drawer here, Kleenex. And then in the middle, you have some basic things like charging adapters, a charging cable for your phone. This is a magnetic, MagSafe charging, wireless charging pad. This will be your simple to use key card to unlock and then to activate the drive by placing it right here. And then to open just the rear window, you push up here, and that'll get your rear window open. To get all 5 windows open, you push up on that. And then to close everything, you just pull down. Pretty easy. Enjoy your time with R2. Have a wonderful day.